Yo, y'all, what's good, man? Back on YouTube. One of my first videos back. Uh, by the time y'all see this, we probably turned up on the content. But today's video, guys, is going to be the truth, the ultimate truth about drop shipping. Now, what is drop shipping? Drop shipping is typically, where a lot of people, build up and open up a Shopify store using their 14 days. A lot of these gurus tend to teach drop shipping online, trying to tell you guys if you guys start a Shopify store and get a manufacturer from AliExpress that you could potentially start making $10,000 within 2 weeks. Now, is there truth to that? Yes, there is truth to that. But that particular truth, how true that is very, very uncommon. And actually, the reason why I'm doing this video today is because I recently posted a video on TikTok that had a lot of people heated and in their feelings. I'll actually go to my TikTok and show you guys when it comes to the topic of drop shipping. A ton of people, commented because I said on my TikTok, and you guys can actually follow my TikTok at Eli Alexander, or just like on the YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you name it. But basically, essentially what I said was that drop shipping is one of the worst businesses that you should get into without having capital upwards of $10,000 to $50,000 to blow on advertisement. Now, the reason why I say that is because a lot of these online gurus do not tell you guys that you need money to start drop shipping and actually build a successful drop shipping store. The fact of the matter is with drop shipping, when it comes to drop shipping, and I've done drop shipping, and I've had some ups and I've had some downs from drop shipping, but the overall truth is that drop shipping costs you money, just like any business. And with drop shipping, the thing about drop shipping, since we have the internet now and we have TikTok, and it's 10 years down the line, if you started drop shipping like 10 years ago and you're one of the first people to hop on it, you probably be making bank right now. But the fact of the matter is it's 2022 now, and everybody with internet connection and a cell phone knows about drop shipping. So it's not as profitable or as easy to make profitable as it once was 10 plus years ago. Now, the reason why I say you need to have capital is because, you're competing with millions and millions and millions and millions of people who are trying to sell the exact same product that you don't even know works, let alone when the manufacturer is actually going to ship it to the customer that potentially buys your product. And with a lot of people already having that information foresight, most people are going to not buy from your store. Now, the thing with social media ads, whether it's Snapchat ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, the platforms that a lot of people use to promote their Shopify dropshipping store, for one, a lot of these companies they hate drop shippers. So you're going to be dealing with your account bans 24/7. Two, just like you're running ads, other people are running ads, and the people have a bigger ad budget than you and are running the same ads on a specific product, most likely you're not going to be profitable. And that's just the God honest truth. Unless you have like 10,000 to 50,000 to blow on a specific store, I don't think drop shipping will be the best business to necessarily start, because it's very expensive starting out. And if you're somebody who's in college, if it works for you. But realistically, you're not going to be making $10,000 as soon as you start your drop shipping store, unless the product is a really, really hot product. It doesn't really work like that. And to be honest with you guys, no business really works like that, to where you're just going to be making tens and hundreds of $1,000s out the gate. The God honest truth is a lot of these gurus that you see on Instagram, TikTok, or whatever, they're all lying. And a lot of these online gurus with courses, they make more money from their courses than they actually do their drop shipping stores. Now, and I've been cool with a lot of people who, who have those online courses, and they'll tell you that, if you have a really good relationship with them, whether it's Leon Green, whether it's Jordan Welch, whether it's who's some other people. There's a lot of other people, but a lot of people, they really don't understand it. Like, most people are selling the course or the coaching program versus actually teaching people how to actually be profitable with dropshipping. Because in reality, to have any type of successful business, it takes time. And if you don't have that type of time, you're not going to be profitable. And personally, guys, I've tried dropshipping, but the reason why I stopped dropshipping is because dropshipping is not really a legit or a long-term business structure model, if that makes sense. The only way you're going to be like, long-term and successful with dropshipping is if you actually build a branded store to where you're consistently making sales in that store. But as far as, you can't run social media ads forever or focus on social media ads forever and just selling random products that you don't even barely know works. That's just not how it is. But that is my truth about dropshipping. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share. I'm not going to be one of those people who lie to you and say I've made hundreds and thousands and millions of dollars type deals. Like, I made some money dropshipping. Made $50. I made $100. I've also been in the negative several times. I've had Facebook accounts banned, Snapchat account banned, TikTok account bans. I've had my whole Facebook shut down. So, I've been in the dropshipping game, but that's pretty much it. If you guys do need Shopify help or anything like that in commerce, I'm actually in the tech field. So if you need those services, I will be more than happy to help you guys out and build your store for you. But hope you guys like this video. More content is on the way. Hopefully you like and subscribe and share, whatever, all that good stuff. Peace.